beauties, it's Viviana, and today I hope YouTube caption caught that right. I said hey beauties, not hey beauties. So I was just browsing YouTube trying to find the most popular hair tutorial, and right there sitting at 11 million views is this ponytail tutorial. And because I recognize her face from the viral videos, so I guess I'm probably the only person who never know that she had a YouTube channel, because she has almost 3 million followers. We're right behind her, guys. Almost there. Almost there. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a very easy, serious tutorial following along with Nicole's TV ponytail tutorial. That's the name of the tutorial. It's a ponytail tutorial. This video is only like a minute. Well, a minute and 40 seconds. It should be simple.
Today we're doing a ponytail tutorial. You'll need a brush or a comb, but this brush. Brush it and it should look like this.
Okay, a brush or a comb. I have both, but she said she will be using the brush, so brush. Wait, that's not the same brush she showed in the intro.
But this brush.
This girl. I should have known it was a joking tutorial, you know. She showed a boar bristle brush like this in the intro, and then she used a brush like this with the plastic teeth. Yeah.
That's how nappies for. Ooh, damn, shit.
We're not doing that. No. So I'm gonna use my soft bristle brush, and we're gonna brush up our hair just like how Nicole shows.
Ooh, damn, shit.
Not exactly like that. Maybe just a little more gentle. As a matter of fact, I don't know about Nicole, but my hair kind of dry, so let me spray a little water in here, just a little bit, cause it dry.
Now, almost. Nick, what the fuck? Stop! Now, you should have an arch like this. Gel. This gel. Any kind of gel.
Just that her own black and my own green, but it should work the same, right?
Okay. Open the gel like this. Flick it up on top or around, doesn't matter. Just make sure you put gel on it.
Just get gel on it. Just get gel on it. Just get gel on it. Just get gel on it. Just get gel on it. Just get gel on it. Just get gel on it.
Twist the ponytail if you want, if you really can't get it to slick up with the gel. Then take your rubber band after you slick it up. Then take your rubber band.
Bruh. Hold on. Let me just adjust it a little bit. If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. And now you're done. Oh my god, you don't have to make the ugly faces like this.
I wonder if I could get my ponytail to stand up like hers. Huh. Wait. Oh, oh, that twisted it kind of stand up. You know, I actually did do a style like that before with the ponytail and I had my hair sticking up in the air.
That thing where I go feel it, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah.
It's pretty much the same thing that Nicole did. Kinda. With a little extra. Yep. It's just a ponytail. Just like what her title said it was gonna be.
Oh, and for edges, I almost forgot. You ain't got no edges, bitch. That's it. Now, peace!
My tutorial done already? That's it. I feel like I need to do something else to really finish off this look. It's just like, hold on. Now it's done. Please give me a thumbs up because it's important and YouTube will recognize that I have a great tutorial here, so they should share it with other people. And if you haven't heard, there is a rule on YouTube now that if you didn't actually enjoy the video and you try to press the thumbs up button, it won't actually turn blue. But don't worry, since I want to make sure that everyone can subscribe and join the almost 1 million of us here on this channel, I'll be sure to leave some more of my videos up in the icons so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then if you can actually sit down through 2 or 3 more of my videos, you should take that as an indicator that you actually find my content entertaining, and you probably should just subscribe. Unless one day you're just gonna look around and then my content has just disappeared from your life, and then what you gonna do next? Anyway, beauties,